We all have seen the Indian map, but have you ever wondered what India really looks like? Well, if you ask someone who has never been to India, they would probably say that India looks something like what an orange, green, and white flag would resemble. But if you look closely past those three colors, you will see that there is so much more what they hold. India looks like the brown skin of a manual laborer with calluses on his hand. He stands under the orange sun with his feet burning as he places bright red bricks on the top of one another. 1.5 करोड़ से ज़्यादा आबादी वाले इस देश में जहाँ गांव की फसलें लहराती है, वहीं शहर की इमारतें आसमान को छूती है. India looks like the yellow-teeth smile of a sabjiwala as he hands you over your bag of groceries. He smiled with the knowledge that he couldn't afford to add an extra bunch of Nimu and Dhania in our bag, but he does it anyway, without any regret. भारत उस खूबसूरत चांद की तरह लगता है जिसे देखकर पूनम को प्रणाम और ईद को दुआ की जाती है. भारत उस आफताब की तरह रोशन है जैसे गिरजाघर में मोमबत्ती या गुरुद्वारे में वाहिगुरु का तेज है. India looks like that girl wrapped in a sari whose face goes white with worry as she walks home alone at night. Before her shifty eyes and shaking legs get the best of her, a rickshawala finally comes and offers to drop her home safely, बहन या बेटी समझकर. India looks like the shimmering blue of an untouched river as it flows into the polluted sea. Specks of white floating plastic surrender into the gloved hands of a volunteer standing by the shore. Armies of such volunteers stand by her side, not once forgetting their commitment of their Sunday morning cleanup drives. भारत उस आज़ाद पंछी की तरह है जिसे कल तक किसी और ने अपने पिंजरे में कैद करके रखा था, पर आज उसमें खुद का आसमान नापने का जोश और अकेले उड़ने की हिम्मत है. India looks like the twinkling brown eyes of Chotu who serves chai and biscuit at the roadside stall, while all his actual love comes right after the tea is served when he sits amongst his customers who discuss the wrong systems in our country. He offers them a smile in exchange of advice on how he should join a free education program. India looks like a country with 6 major religions, 8 union territories, 29 states, 4,000 towns and cities, 19,500 unofficial languages, and a recorded population of over 138 crore and 4,385 people as of 9th August 2020. Well, despite its pride in everything it has to offer, why is that when you ask an Indian what they are, they will go through this entire list before they speak the word Indian? India looks like a country that can sometimes confuse its diversity into division. But we are not divided, are we? We all hold the power to decide what India is to us and how we want it to be in our future. The fate of India's destiny runs along the lines on each of our palms. Place them all together and then you will realize what India really looks like.